बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जी मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे मई 19 2024 के अखबार में। मार्केटिंग की जॉब है, रिक्वायर्ड मार्केटिंग स्लैश सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव, क्वालिफिकेशंस बैचलर्स डिग्री इन मार्केटिंग बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और a related field, proven experience in marketing roles with a focus on CCTV or security technology preferred, a strong understanding of CCTV systems, surveillance technology and security industry, excellent communication skills with the ability to convey technical information in a clear and compelling manner, creative thinker with a strategic mindset and a passion for driving results, proficiency in digital marketing tools and platforms including social media, email marketing, analytics tools. Send your CV Imran at dws.org.pk. IMRAN Imran at dws.org.pk. मेडिकल की जॉब है, a well reputable recognized organization based in Karachi is looking to hire an individual for the position of medical sales representative. The individual must have a prior experience in surgical, disposable and electromedical items and must have strong contacts with the procurement departments of majority hospitals in Karachi. Individuals with prior experience in hospital tenders are also obliged to apply. Please email at क्या लिखा हुआ है, ईसा नासिर 89@yahoo.com, ESSANASIR89@yahoo.com. Contact 0300 929 6150, 0300 929 6150. Al-Tamash General Hospital, Clifton Block 1, Karachi requires following part-time / full-time clinicians / consultants, general physicians and gastroenterologists, consultant neurologist / neurophysician, consultant general and laparoscopic surgeon, consultant orthopedic surgeon, consultant pediatrician, consultant urologist, consultant pulmonologist. All consultants should be FCPS or equivalent degree with minimum 5 years of post fellowship clinical experience. Contact Al-Tamash General Hospital. HR on PTCL नंबर है 0213518700, 0213518700. एक और PTCL नंबर है 021111222224, 0211222224, 111222224, एक्सटेंशन 173 और email CV with photograph and expected salary on jobs at altamash.pk. A renowned diabetes hospital, Bakai Institute of Diabetology and Endocrinology, requires 1 PG RMO FCPS Part 1 past 2 years contract bracket close. Number 2 ward RMO MBBS plus house job completed calls mandatory bracket close. Number 3 staff nurses general nursing diploma male and females. Preference will be given nearby residents. Apply to plot 1 to 11B North 11B Nazimabad. Number 2 karachi.hr@bide.edu.pk. Children's Hospital Karachi Research Institute for Genetics, Blood and Bone Marrow Transplant is looking energetic and hardworking professional clinical hematologist, sir pharmacist, sir registered nurse, senior accountant, senior admin officer, night OPD coordinator. Evening candidates must have degrees and diploma with 2 to 3 years hospital experience. Attractive package and better future career. ग्रो चिल्ड्रन हॉस्पिटल कराची, स्ट्रीट 2/2, ब्लॉक 5, गुलशन इकबाल। फ़ोन नंबर 02134991812885, 02134991812885। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 033232783001, 033232783001। ईमेल hr@childrenhospitalkarachi.com, childrenhospitalkarachi.com, CHILDREN, childrenhospitalkarachi.com। Consultant clinics and dental chair available on rent/percentage basis in the heart of Gulshan Iqbal, morning 10 to 1 and evening 6 to 8. For further information, contact 0321 8216947, 0321 8216947। मेडिकल की जॉब है। मेडिकल सेंटर इन गुलिस्तान जौहर, ब्लॉक 1, रिक्वायर्स कंसल्टेंट्स मेडिसन, इंटरटविस्ट, फैमिली फिजिशियंस, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट/डाइटिशियन, एस्थेटिक, स्किन कंसल्टेंट, डेंटल सर्जन। ऑल कंसल्टेंट्स लिविंग नियर मेडिकल सेंटर will be preferred. Send CV on 032229000486, 032229000486। Consultant Gynecologist are reputable hospital recognized for postgraduate training in OB/GY. Requires a full-time gynecologist. Applicants should be FCPS and have postgraduate supervisor. Status by College of Physicians and Surgeons, Pakistan. Terms of engagement negotiable. Apply with curriculum vitae to Director Zainab Panjwani, Memorial Hospital, Muhammad Ali, Habib Road, Numaish, Karachi। Cell number 0300 9377 0300 9377 Email zpmh@hotmail.com, zpmh@hotmail.com। Dr. Tausif Amin's medical course for USMLE, HAADDHAMOH MCCEE AMC FCPS MRCP, 032282271518, 032282271518। FCPS residency program. Applicant must be FCPS 1, clear in OBS/Gynae MCPS residency programs, in OBS/Gynae MCPS residency program, in pediatrics, a tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, खारादर। फ़ोन नंबर है 32510113, 3251013216, एक्सटेंशन 173। ईमेल kgh.hospital@gmail.com। लास्ट डेट ऑफ सबमिशन ऑफ एप्लीकेशन May 31, 2024। जनरल सर्जन रिक्वायर्ड एट OMI हॉस्पिटल कराची, FCPS/MS। कैंडिडेट्स विद FCPS Part 1 and completed training can also apply. info@drimtiazahmad.com, 0331259732, 0331259732। Senior Medical Officer ICU MBBS MCPS training in anesthesia/intensive care, having 2 years experience, evening shift. Nutritionist graduate in food and nutrition, having at least 2 years experience. Physiotherapist male, indoor/outdoor के लिए DPD, having 2 years experience. Female nursing supervisor BSc nursing, having at least 2 years experience in a supervisory role, evening shift. Kharadar General Hospital is a tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar। फ़ोन नंबर 325101132116, 325101132116, एक्सटेंशन 173। ईमेल kgh.hospital@gmail.com, kgh.hospital@gmail.com। The Kidney Center Postgraduate Training Institute is a leading tertiary care institute that provides comprehensive care to patients with renal diseases under one roof. We invite applications from interested and suitability qualified candidates to fill the following positions: Resident Urology (bracket में लिखा हुआ है new revised salary). Applicants must have passed FCPS Part 1, सर्जरी एंड अलाइड एंड फुलफिल्ड द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ जनरल सर्जरी ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 2 years as specified by the CPSP resident nephrology new revised salary. The applicants must have either passed FCPS 2 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मेडिसन और FCPS 1 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मेडिसन एंड अलाइड एंड फुलफिल्ड द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ जनरल मेडिसन ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 2 years as specified by the CPSP. Those who have passed IMM will be preferred. Interested candidates fulfilling the above criteria should send their CVs to dbbgtrc.coordinator@kidneycenter.com and careers@kidneycenter.com by May 31st, 2024. Please mention the position applied for in the subject line, or you can submit it to the Human Resources Department for inquiry. Telephone number 0213566100, 0213566100, extension 271. The Lady Dufferin Hospital, one of the largest women's hospitals of Pakistan, having 300 beds and specializes in obstetric, gynecological and neonatal pediatric services. We are looking for the following position: senior registrar OPST and gynae. Candidate should be FCPS cleared in OPST and gynae, experienced sonologist, MBBS with DMRD/MCPS/FCPS, diagnostic radiology and minimum 3 years of relevant experience in a reputable hospital. Duty hours है 1 PM to 5 PM Monday to Saturday. Labor room in charge. Diploma in nursing with valid PNC license and midwifery training with at least 3 years experience of LR in a reputable hospital. Please share CV at careers@ladydufferinhospital.org and mark the position in subject line. 2 trained midwives required for Al Maimuna Clinic. Must have proper certificate of midwifery plus experience of labor room and PT handling. Send CV to Mr. Faz 0300 923 1614, 0300 923 1614. सेल्स की जॉब है. ज्वाइन आर विनिंग टीम. लकी है पेट्रोलियम सीक सेल्स एंड टेली मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल्स मेल/फीमेल. लकी पेट्रोलियम कंपनी a leader in the commercial fuel industry seeking driven and results oriented individuals to join a dynamic commercial fuel department as sales executives, telemarketers. Do you have a passion for sales and exceeding targets? Excellent communication and interpersonal skills, the ability to build strong relationships with clients, a strong work ethic and a desire to succeed. We offer a competitive salary and benefits package, a chance to work in a fast-paced and rewarding environment, opportunities for professional growth and development. If you are a highly motivated individual who thrives in a challenging environment, we want to hear from you. Send your CV to info@luckypetroleum.pk. Lucky Petroleum is an equal opportunity employer. We are looking for a sales person for our Islamabad office. Experience in travel insurance marketing in travel agencies is required. Send your resume global TIPSKHI global tips KHI@gmail.com, global 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 tips TIPSKHI@gmail.com. कॉल है 0333228732, 0333228732. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.